So how do you know if you joined the right network marketing opportunity? Well, it's very simple. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, network marketing, affiliate marketing, like I always say, it's one of the best ways to make money online, especially network marketing now with the new era of network marketing opportunities that's out there. But with that being said, how do you know if you joined the right opportunity? Because let's be real, with all of these companies out here, they all make it feel like their company is the one, right? You know what I'm talking about. They all make you feel like it's a family vibe and all you need is that opportunity and you can make it happen and blah, 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 right? But why is it that so many people join these opportunities and then they turn around and quit the same opportunity, right? Like something wasn't clicking. And I think I know why. What a lot of people don't understand about network marketing and being successful with network marketing is it's a grind, right? I know when you watch these presentations and you do webinars and you watch all of these videos and everything, it's like it's made to believe like, yo, you could just sign up. You know what I'm saying? Just join. So all you gotta do, just join. Try the products, right? But make one post on Facebook. Make one YouTube video. That's all you gotta do, right? 6 figures. Here we go, right? No, it's not, right? A lot of people get involved with these companies and they quit so quickly because they're not seeing the money that they think they should be making, right? And why these people quit, in my opinion, is because they're not excited about the company. You might be thinking, so what? What are you talking about? You heard what I said. You need to be excited about the opportunity that you're involved with. I mean, you need to be like, when you go to bed at night, you need to be like excited about waking up the next day because you're gonna post this on Facebook, or you're going to create this video, or you're going to make this TikTok or this short, or you're going to pass out flyers because you are excited about the opportunity. You're excited about earning money. You're excited about the products, whatever. You should be excited, right? This is how you know you are in the right opportunity. And yes, I promote, Got Back Up, Live Good, Nexus, Snap, but you ain't got to mess with none of them opportunities, right? Whatever opportunity that you're looking at, make sure you're excited about that opportunity. And make sure it's something that before you join, ask yourself, right? Do I think I'm still going to be excited about this opportunity in 6 months, in 1 year, in 3 years? Because you got to understand, with network marketing, you need to look at the long game, right? Like other opportunities out there, like instant cash and this and that, cool, right? You can think about it now. But network marketing, you need to understand you're at zero when you sign up, $0, right? But you need to tell yourself, all right, where am I going to be in 1 year from now? All right, that zero should be maybe $300, $400, $500. All right, my goal for 2 years might be, $2,000 a month or whatever. My 5-year goal, I want to be at 5 to 10,000 with this company or these couple companies, whatever, right? No matter what, you need to be excited about it. If you are not excited about the opportunity that you're currently in or about the opportunity that you're looking into, don't mess with it. I'm telling you, because if you're not excited about it, you're going to quit. It's going to be so damn easy to quit a network marketing opportunity if you're not excited about it. Ask yourself, when do you quit something that you are excited about? It usually don't happen. So bottom line is, if the company you're involved with excites you, you are at the right place. Now, if you want to check out the opportunities that excite me and that I'm making money with every single month, you want to check the links in the description or in the comments of this video.